Hi, I'm Jenna and welcome to Publicify, where I'll be giving quick tips for DIY musicians every week. Today, I want to talk about a way you can get more people to listen to your songs, buy tickets to your shows, and buy more merch by simply changing the wording you use in your promotion. Let's go. One of the most powerful marketing lessons I've learned is to explain the benefits of why someone should take the action you want them to take. Sounds simple enough, right? But barely anyone does this, especially when it comes to music. I often find that when a band releases new material, they say things like, buy a new EP, it would mean the world to us, we spent a long time working hard on this, etc, etc, etc. But when was the last time you saw an ad that said things like that? Apple doesn't mention that you should buy the new iPhone because they spent thousands of hours working on it, and it would mean a lot to their development team if you bought it. No, they tell you how buying the new iPhone will make your life better somehow. They only talk about how it will benefit you, and you should be marketing your music in this way as well. This applies to anything you put out to the world that's related, like a tour announcement or merch. Talk about how it will benefit your fans and future fans to take the action you're asking them to. Do you have a new sad ballad coming out? Say this is for the people going through a tough breakup who need a collection of beautiful sad songs to cry to. Do you have a tour coming up? Say something like, buy tickets to our next gig in London. It will spice up your regular boring Tuesdays spent in watching Netflix. It's as simple as that. Start turning the spotlight over to your fans and show them that you can make their life better in some capacity with your new material. And in turn, they will end up making yours better when all the streams, ticket sales, and merch sales come rolling in. That's it for today. Subscribe or like this channel to stay tuned to my next video coming up soon, and I'll see you then. Bye!